Hello everyone. I have received questions in regards to how to complete the Big Idea puzzle for Unit 1, Lesson 4. The directions read, create a word puzzle with each word from the big idea. And then we have an example. The example is, and you'll see, today is Wednesday. Prior to me giving you the answer, you would have had to put the letters in the boxes. So you see that the first word is today, and that is here. Now, changing colors, you don't need to change the colors for lettered boxes, but I want to show you how to do it. We have this up here. It is a paint can with paint leaking. So let's just make that yellow. So we have the today, and the second word is. And I wrote that in, or typed that in there. And again, we'll just go with the same color. And then Wednesday. And again, you've typed it in, and now you highlight it, and now that's done. Okay, so all three words are on the table. Once you have those words in there, you will need to shade all of the boxes that are not with letters in them. So you're always going to keep going back up to the paint box. I don't know what color I just used. It's probably a little bit off. But you're going to shade all of the boxes that don't have letters in them. And the ones that do have letters in them should be white. So don't go through that whole process only because I know that you're going to get a little bit confused with the shading. So if I chose the same color, let's try. Okay, I'll use this one. That one I know is going to stay in my head. All right. So doesn't matter when you're working on the computer. It doesn't matter what color you use. But you just have to make sure that the letters in the puzzle are white, and the boxes that don't have any letters are shaded. Okay, so your final result, and this is just for the example, should look like that. Okay, so all of the boxes that are surrounding the letters are shaded a color, and the words that were placed in are in white. So let's go down to the big idea. So the big idea for Unit 1, Lesson 4 is the process of selecting necessary resources should be based upon the desired result of the technology being designed. So this is where you're taking your words from. And I'm just going to highlight it in yellow because highlight yellow is nice. You already see that I've added technology and necessary. Now, you're going to start with the or the. All right, so I'm going to start here. And I'm turning my caps lock on. T, E. Okay, so the, and then we have the next word, process. P, R, O, C, E, S, S. Of. Now, some people might go and put an F here. But if you put an F here, just move that out the way. What does FE spell? So you have to make sure that you have space. If you don't have space, then there's words that don't make sense. So you have to find another spot. So we could use this one. Okay? The goal is to make sure that each word stands alone and that there's no creation of non-words. So I've given you that part. So selecting, I'll do one more, and let's see if it'll fit here. SELECT. Oh, perfect. ING. Okay, so you're going to continue to do this until you get to the very last word. Once you have that taken care of, you're going to highlight the boxes that are not being used. And again, do not color the boxes until you have finished. I'm going to just do black because I don't feel like thinking right now. Okay, so if you do black, it's going to stand out really strong. Again, you're going to that paint can with the linking paint, and everything that doesn't have a letter gets shaded, and you just continue with that. But you have to make sure that you have all of the words on it. I'm not going to do the entire puzzle for you, but I did want to show you what it should look like. This is just an easy task. It's just that it needs to be explained. So I've decided that I would do that. So I'm just going to continue doing this and getting all of these filled in so that you should get an idea of how it should look once it is finished. So I'm going to keep going. And again, it's every box that doesn't have a letter. Okay, so I think I clicked the wrong, nope, I did. And so what's going to happen once you have done this and you have shaded, it makes the words stand out. Okay, so now I see selecting. I see selecting here. I see technology. I see necessary, process, the or the, and of. Now, one of the things that I will excuse is there are 3 thes or these. 1, 2, 3. You only need 1. And there are 2 ofs. You only need 1. I can complete the sentence because the word is in the puzzle. I hope this makes it clearer. Good luck and try to have fun with it.